design degree for becoming UX designer? My short answer is no. You don't need any design degree, or even if you don't have any degree, it's fine too. But let me tell you how things works. So suppose if you're applying to a company and you have like normal skills and you have like average portfolio, average skills, you don't have any experience and you have not completed your bachelor's in any field, and if another person is applying for the same job, he also have like average skills, his portfolio is also average, but he has done his bachelor's from a good college, so there are high chances that that person will get hired because both were you on the same level, but he has something additional than you, so there are chances that people will select him. But if you have amazing skills and you have made your killer portfolio and you show that you're passionate, so in that case they might choose you. And also let's say that you have like 4 to 5 years of experience working as a UX designer, so in that case they are definitely choosing you because your skills are amazing and you also have previous experience, and that's what really matters. And they can see that if you will get hired for this position, you can easily do your work. All these things used to matter like 10 years before or like 5 years before, but it doesn't matter now. Like people are open minded and they care about skills and what knowledge you have rather than certificates or like any degree. So when I was in India and I was still doing my bachelor's and I was in final year of engineering, and I started giving interviews for UX designer because I already did like so many internship in UX design, I did freelance work, so I thought that as soon as I will graduate I will start working as a UX designer. But what happened is in the month of April itself I got an offer from a US based startup, and I already told them that I'm in final year of my engineering and I'm not graduated, but they didn't care anything about it. All they care about is that I have amazing skills and I had like previous experience working with like so many startups as a UX designer. All they care about was that, and not the fact that I'm still in the college and I'm still doing my undergrad. And then from April itself I started working as a full-time UX designer, and I had my finals engineering exam in the month of June. So at that time I was already working as a UX designer. So if we'll see that like people don't really care about like if you have graduated, if you have a degree, or if you have a design degree. And if you will see that my undergrad degree was not even in design, it was in bachelor's in information technology, it was an engineering degree, but still I got a job because I had skills and I had worked with like previous startup companies. I have worked previously as a UX designer, and seeing those things, my previous employer knew that if I will get hired I will be able to do UX research, I will be able to make wireframes, I will be able to understand the problem and also make design for it, and this is what it mattered. So if you are wondering that is design degree is important or is degree is important for UX design, then the answer is no, because it worked for me. Because wherever I went and the companies that I worked on, they didn't care about degree, or like they didn't care about if I'm studying or if I have design degree or even if I'm graduated or not. So all these things were like before 5 years, before 10 years, people used to care about like if you have degree or not before giving your job. But people have grown a lot and they have become more open minded, and no one is caring about all these things. If you have like right skills, if you have right knowledge about specific thing, degree doesn't matter. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find it helpful, do like it and please subscribe it to my channel. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, and also you can reach me out on LinkedIn and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching.